Want to create something like this? Hey everyone, it's me, your social bae. My name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to create an image scrolling video using Canva and Kinemaster app. Those who don't know, Kinemaster is a video editing app which is available on both Android and iPhone devices. So this is going to be a fun tutorial which you can try it out on your phone itself. No fancy software is required. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any video from me. Now, let's go. Let's start. Go to custom size and I'll go with 8000 by 1000 pixel. So yeah, this is how the artboard looks like, 8000 by 1000 pixel. Now go to elements and search for frames. These are all the frames that will come up. Search for a square frame like this. Yeah. Click on it and then position it to left and top. And now just enlarge it and bring it to middle. The idea is to have all the frames aligned next to each other with equal space. So what I'll do is click on this frame and press Ctrl D to duplicate the frame. I'll press Ctrl D 7 times. Okay, so once you're done, click on the topmost frame, go to position and bring it to the right and middle. Now press Ctrl A for selecting all the frames. Go to position and tidy up. It has now aligned properly and now just drag it to the center and middle. That's it. You're done. Now I have all the images ready with me which I'm going to drag into my frames. So yeah, I'll just quickly drag my images into the frames randomly for demo purpose. Now for creating the image scrolling video that I showed you in my intro, we need 3 pages. So I'll just duplicate the first page and I'll quickly drag different set of images into my frames. And of course you can also go with just one page if you want. Now once you're done placing the images and are happy with how it looks, go to this timer thing, click on it and change the timing to 10 seconds and check this box apply to all pages. Now all you have to do is download each page separately as MP4 file. The thing here is that I tried with PNG file but it was coming out as blurry, so MP4 will be a good option. Now once you're done downloading all the 3 pages, launch the KindMaster app and click on this plus icon and select the resolution you want. I'll go with 16:9. Then choose the background color as white and just extend the timeline randomly and come to the starting point. Now go to layer and click on the first option, that is media. Now from here select the first video that you just downloaded. Just enlarge the video and bring it to the starting point from where you want the scroll to start. Now I'll bring other 2 videos as well. For the second video we want the scroll to happen in the reverse direction. So that is why I am positioning it this way. Let me bring the third video as well and position it quickly. Now let's see how to add scrolling animation. Once you're happy with the position of all the 3 video frames, select the first video frame. Now click on this key icon that you see on the left and then bring the playhead to the end point of the video layer. Now click on the O plus button that you see over here. It will add the keyframe. Now we have to lock the end spot of the scroll. So drag your video frame to the end point, and that's it. Now bring the playhead to the start position and play it once to see if it is working correctly. Awesome, it is working now. Now I'll select the second video frame and click on this key icon. Then bring the playhead to the end of this video layer. Click on this O plus add keyframe button and lock the end spot of the video frame where you want the scroll to stop. We are repeating the same procedure again. Let's play and see if it is working. Yes, it is. As you can see, it was in the reverse direction. The first video is going from right to left and second video is going from left to right. So it is in reverse direction. That is why we had positioned our video frames in such a way. Now we'll again repeat the same process for the third video frame. Now all you have to do is bring the playhead to the end of the video layer and trim the white portion, the excess white portion we have. Trim to the right of playhead, select that second option. And that is it. This is how our scrolling animation looks like. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you're going to try this, don't forget to tag me, YourSocialBae, on Instagram. I would love to see your version of it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.